Are there situations where jumping terminals could harm the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system? Jumping control terminals is sometimes used to troubleshoot and temporarily operate components, but it requires precise timing, correct terminal selection, and an awareness of control logic to avoid damage. Always confirm the schematic or wiring diagram first, so you know which terminals are simply control inputs and which are part of interlock or safety circuits. Never jump a terminal immediately after the compressor stops, because many compressors use delayed restart protections, and short cycling can burn out the motor. Wait for the specified crankcase pressure equalization or time delay, usually listed on the control or service manual. Do not cross-jump unrelated control lines because mixing signals can send full supply voltage into low voltage circuits or energize multiple components at once, which may overload contactors or damage electronic controls. When you need to inject a signal, use a properly rated jumper lead and, when possible, use a multimeter to verify the actual voltage and continuity before connecting. If the system has electronic controls or a building automation interface, prefer simulated inputs or software overrides rather than hardwired jumpers because modern boards can latch faults or store error states that require a power cycle or factory reset to clear. Common mistakes start with leaving power on while inserting or removing jumpers, which can arc and damage relays or printed circuit boards, so always de-energize the circuit before changing wiring. Another frequent issue is ignoring time delays and protections, which leads to compressor, short cycling, and premature failure. Respect the equipment's specified delays and, if unknown, wait a conservative interval of at least 5 minutes to allow pressures and timers to reset. Technicians also sometimes jump the wrong terminal due to similar labeling or worn silkscreen, which can send voltage to control circuits. Double-check labels, trace wires back to the control board if needed, and use the wiring diagram to confirm before making a connection. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home systems and projects, so we can help match a homeowner who needs HVAC troubleshooting with contractors who do this work locally. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and learn best practices together so we can avoid mistakes and stay safer on jobs.